Guys, welcome back. So we wrapped up on this beautiful 2017 Corvette C7. This car came out absolutely phenomenal. So it had a ton of scratches and swirls on the paint. We rectified all of that. We went ahead and did our 5-year paint coating package on all of the exterior paint as well as all the carbon metallic on it. It turned out absolutely, it looks stunning. So not to stop there, we also did our exterior glass coating package on this. It'll be hydrophobic, it'll be super easy to clean, maintain, as well as the paint. The wheels got done, so it's going to be the same for the wheels. We did the inside and outside of the wheels, the calipers, the suspension right there. And we also did the full engine bay package on this, as well as the interior and the exterior plastics. Now, this vehicle looks absolutely phenomenal.